Hello everybody and welcome to Watch Me Go Broke. Welcome today to kind of a rush job. It's an unboxing of a watch that just came out. I was really excited about it and they were sold out online at Timex, and then I somehow was able to get my hands on one. I think they might be widely available now, but there wasn't a lot of YouTube videos about the watch really at all, especially having the watch in hand. So I thought I'd get it in, unbox it. Is it worth the hype? Should you get it? I don't know. That'll be in the full review. However, I'm here to unbox the Timex Q GMT, or the Q Timex GMT. So let's get after it. I got my fuchsia scissors. I'm out of breath. I'm so excited. I'm also really fat. I'm not drunk either, so you know this is going to be a little different than usual. I'm just trying to get this video out to you guys as fast as possible. So here we go. Okay. So, comes in this particular box here, which is interesting. They usually come in that long flat box, so let's see what we got here. All right, Timex. Let's get into the box here. So, let me just stop at the box for 2 seconds. That's kind of disappointing. I would have liked the long flat box that they usually do, that the Q comes in. So, little cost saving there, but yet we're paying more for this. So, let's take a look. All right, Timex, or the Q Timex GMT. Okay, that's the official name of it. So, released in the 1970s, and now it's a GMT movement, and it's actually a Swiss GMT movement, which is awesome. And you got the watch and a little pillar here, a pillow actually. Okay, oh, and it's running. They didn't even do me the solid of hacking it and putting that little plastic thing in. I hope this isn't a return. That would be rather disappointing, but there it is. There it is. Let me try to get these stickers off here. Oh man, I pulled the tab off. Awesome. That's how cool I am, guys. Pull the tab off wrong. Oh, now it's stuck to my finger. Oh boy, this is a train wreck again. Okay, so there it is, 38 millimeters. You got a little sticker. You know what, I'm gonna leave that on until I size the bracelet here. Oh, back sticker, pull that off. So the bracelet is quite a bit different than what is on the Q. Let me see here. Wow, peeled that off pretty easy. I was curious in the videos if this was going to be a friction pin bracelet, and it appears that it is. It appears that it is just a pressed clasp. I don't think anyone's shown the clasp in any of the videos that they've done, but peeling the stickers off here. All right. Okay, I'll leave that tag on there. Okay, just a push-pull crown. It should hack, and then you got the GMT hand there. So everything looks good. It's a little different than the Q. You've got applied indices. You've got obviously the GMT hand. The second hand is a little bit different from the Q. The case is pretty much the same. And then you've got that battery cover to remove the battery and replace it yourself very easily. So, all right, let me just peel that sticker off then. Since we're zooming in on that acrylic crystal, which I like. I don't mind acrylic. I think, you know, they're pretty cool. The coloring, I'm going to have to compare this to the other Q, but yeah, the coloring is a little, it seems a little bit different on the blue, and maybe it's a slightly darker than what's on the Q, but I'm going to have to compare those. But you got a date window at the 3 o'clock position, which is also different than the Q. Signed crown there. It says Q. I'm curious about this bracelet. You know, it looks really good. Supposedly this isn't like a hair puller anymore, so we shall see there. Yes, so I am going to do a full review of this, guys, and I will let you know what I think as soon as possible. Just wanted to get this video out because a lot of guys are just rambling on about this watch. They don't have the watch in hand, but now I do. Very similar to the Q, I would say. Not a whole lot different, but you get that GMT hand. They're going all in GMT master homage on this one for sure. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you today, and I will see you next time.